So hi guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. So for today's video, I am craving for tomahawk for tonight. And with that, I have this scallop right here. What else? We have mushrooms and also this. Guys, let's start the cooking. First is our mushroom. Right there. Here comes the mushroom. Mushrooms are so big. Next is our onion. And let's put a little bit of olive oil. Mix it up. Let's season it with black pepper and garlic salt. Okay, and let's wait until it's done. Onion and mushroom is done, so let's set this aside. Alright guys, next is our scallop. So first is butter. This is scallop. Wow, they're so big. Look at that. Let's wait till it's cooked. Scallop is almost done, so put some of the garlic salt. Scallop is done, so let's set this aside. So yummy. And so guys, we're also having a broccoli. Put a little bit of olive oil, minced garlic, salt and pepper to taste. Salt and pepper. Mix it up. And guys, we're going to bake this for like maybe 8 minutes. Right guys, it's time to sear our steak. Butter. Let's put butter on the top. Let's flip it. Whoa, look, so pretty. Wow, look at that. Flip into the other side. Wow. Guys, it's time to put it in the oven. Oven is now preheated to 350, so it's time to put it in the oven. Oven for about 15 minutes. For about 15 minutes. So, timer 15 minutes. Guys, we have to cook our broccoli, so we're gonna put it in the oven also for about 10 minutes. Done at the same time. 9 and 30 minutes. 15 minutes is done, guys. So let's check. But look, let's try to flip it. Let's try to flip. Alright. Okay, let's put another 10 minutes. Okay guys, another 10 minutes. Guys, I think it's been 20 minutes for this. It looks done to me. Our tomahawk is ready. I'm so excited to eat our tomahawk. And also, look at our roasted broccoli. So we're having a tomahawk, roasted garlic, broccoli, onion and mushroom, and our scallop. Alright guys, let's check our tomahawk. My husband wants his tomahawk well done. Mine is, I like it medium rare, but we'll see what it turned out. The doneness is well done. Let's taste. Wow, it's juicy. Oh wow. It's got everything.
Wow. It's well done. Guys, it's well done.
Okay. Side. And here is our dinner for tonight. The scallop, shrimp, broccoli, mushroom and onions, scallop, and steak. That's our menu. That's our dinner for tonight. Now, let's eat. Guys, let's eat. Look. Excited to eat. Let's eat the shrimp first. Scallop. Dip it in the butter with garlic powder. Mushroom. And onion.
Good.
That is not meant to be. So we didn't finish everything. There's a little bit left. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you again on my next video.